First go to the file and choose open. Select the signature image. Click open. Now take the crop tool and crop the signature like this. Then go to channels panel. Select the red channel. Now go to image, adjustments and choose curves. Hold the Alt key and adjust these input points like this. Press OK. Hold the control button and click on the thumbnail of the red channel. This selects the white areas. Then open select and choose inverse. Get back to layers panel. Click on lock icon to unlock the layer. Hide the layer. Then go to the adjustment layer options and choose solid color adjustment layer. Here select your color. Click OK. Now you have your digital signature on a transparent background. You can save it as a PNG if you wish. Let's see the final result.